All right, just a quick update on the wall that I've been working on. It's only supposed to take a couple days. Easy job by myself. Now it's taking 3 or 4 days, me and my son. Pretty much got it done. And you see, I still just gotta caulk, put my trim up, do some painting. But that's what it looks like now. I've got another wall to do over here. Gotta put my storm door back up. Taking that whole wall out also. Both windows, the door. We'll frame it back in, put me just one big window there. I don't need that door. Got a sidewalk that goes to nowhere. Nobody uses it. So I'm sure I'll have that done before Christmas. All right. Thanks a lot. See you later.